Professor BlackOps, Cybersecurity for the people. You see it, let's get it. Kubernetes Malware. Of course, Kubernetes is one of the top containers in the industry. So let's talk about it. Unit 42 discovers first known malware targeting Windows container. Of course, that container is Kubernetes. Unit 42 Cyber Consulting Group published research on the first known malware targeting Windows container, which was discovered by Unit 42 researcher Daniel and named Siloscape. It's extremely stealthy malware that uses sophisticated code obfuscation techniques and communicates to its command and control server, Tor, open source software that enables anonymous communication to hide its presence. Unit 42 researchers have previously only seen malware targeting containers in Linux due to the popularity of their operating system in the cloud. Unit 42 has identified 23 Siloscape victims and discovered evidence that campaigns have been targeting place for more than a year. Containers provide an easy way to run applications in the cloud, just as a cargo ship have containers and packages many different materials together for efficiencies. Containers in the cloud carry the similar functions in that they allow development teams to move faster and operate at almost any scale. The process of running an application in container is called containerization. We've seen more and more organizations using containerization in the cloud in recent years, especially since COVID-19 pandemic caused many to seek to move faster and deploy clouds workloads more efficiency. Containers are it. Like I said, it's Docker and Kubernetes are probably the top containers out there, those two. In addition to containers, there are cluster. A cluster is the basic architecture for Kubernetes open source container platform. A Kubernetes cluster is a set of machine known as nodes, and they run containerization programs. So that's the control plane right there. Those are the nodes, right? With the Kubernetes, they call them worklets. So the programs run in there, and you can slice them up, and you can control your network and everything with inside your container. So I'm actually thinking about using containers for micro-segmentation for a zero trust network. So Siloscape's target Windows containers and open up the backdoor to the Kubernetes cluster. It then is giving the attacker access to run on any code anywhere in the victim's cluster. The attacker could conduct a wide variety of attacks against the organization, for example, ransomware by locking and encrypting the cluster, cryptojacking by using the cloud computer power, denial of service by using the cloud computer power as part of the botnet, data exfiltration by stealing the data within the cluster. Even if a single container within the cluster gets shut down, the attacker is still in control. They can create new containers, execute code in the existing container, or shut down other containers. So it shows you the bad guy there. Looks like he's using PHP to get to the cloudware exe. It runs the command C. It looks like it takes over the master container. Then it has control of the root node containers there. Then the command and control thing can execute any code on there. So that's kind of the standard way for the command and control. I guess my thing, if you actually controlling your container, if it made a call out and you set up your networking, the command and control should be blocked. But so Siloscape could wreak havoc in the Windows cloud environment by compromising Kubernetes clusters. For organizations running Windows containers, recommend the following things. Microsoft guidance recommend users not running any of the Windows containers that they wouldn't be willing to run as admin on their host. Limit the privileges on each node by using the Kubernetes authorization modules such as role-based access control. Make sure all your deployments are using the latest version of all the application. Frequently scan the security release for cloud-native platform. For more information, read the Windows 42 report. Also, at the end of this, I'm going to link the STIGs for Kubernetes and some of the top checks to lock that down. Because with the command and control, you should be actually controlling your network traffic. So it shouldn't be able to actually get out to the command and control server if you're setting up your networking correctly. Once again, Professor Black Ops, cybersecurity for the people. Let's get it.